Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man. Not no change. We still a do it. Still a fight the war. Still a do the best we can do. Same way. Yeah, you know, say, kinda just get back looking light. So, you know, it's too bad as how it was. You know, so we get yourself ready. So tell a friend, tell a friend. No people wonder what part of the for muddy, but it's time mash up the light system. So whenever they are putting so much work, so majority of people not even know so we're back on the app. But we're back on YouTube are putting some work, you know. So tell a friend the part they can find me. Cause we're there. Alright? Anyway, watch a movie up on a Sunday. We'll talk about it later. Let's go.
With the lane there with the man said to turn off to find the gist.
No, mommy, you not understand.
But me always turn off.
You feel listen, man. You see, he say anytime we come up in the lane, from a done this so. When we come here, so we have to turn come up so. When we turn come up so, we have to continue walk us straight. Man, little road there as we look so we see house right there so. We not another one ever.
You sure?
Be positive. Is there around the Miss Burr unless someone don't know where you're going so. I do you can't take direction in a car.
You're in the wrong place if I said we know you forgot how we are two woman.
Why? What you do for me? You can't complain, you
Know
know?
yourself, man. There's a lot more where that come from, you know. You know, the kids them for you alright though.
Yeah man, everything's sorted.
But you know, me not too like left. Like turn off left the yard and left them two girls because them a bust breast and I wanna get big. Them soon want go do things they don't know to do. So you have to have a close eye on them. Even though they're in school, they must go. Go try friend one of the little girl them down there and interest anything when they go on with somebody I tell you.
You still have to teach your children them right, you know. I'm talk to them, I'm teach them about life and then learn about life and things.
You think them a learn? You think them a learn about life? Some story when me hear say them a go on with me not sure about it, but me you me left in charge of them because you don't know where you go.
So?
And a man you ask you the
Yeah,
direction.
big man you can't find.
Anything happen these days? You have anything to defend yourself?
Yeah. Two-face.
Yeah man, everything good man.
Who maga Boniface and he will work perfect.
Well, you not go work
If a man try not, you kick the man in the crotch, and that a man who expect one kick in there, who come in bend up
so me can stand up and you fight then?
Eh?
Me stand up and you fight.
No,
Or me run down and you fight.
Them and me run.
Then that me I tell you because I know me can't
Mommy,
turn
yes,
off.
one
Me just turn off for one.
Oh, come to be.
No, you what? My bedroom over there, right? And from stage now, piece of money for you. Oh, I remember go to a while. But you know, go on down the road, you soon get your point.
Alright.
Yeah, just step down on the plaza.
Alright. Me case, you know,
Yeah,
I'm
man,
hungry.
yeah, man,
Me case bring the money come.
Turn off at one turn off. We go walk in the lane and then they say we're not going to finish the lane. We're going to reach one little road. When we reach a little road, it one will go so we're going to see it go so.
They're young people here, but anyway. Let me go and walk and me no see that they turn off.
Remember, so we have to reach
Me
the
go-
car.
Me want to see one woman for the road to ask me. Can't make them the money we put it so you wrong there.
You don't miserable.
Alright, don't stand long because I'm hungry.
Morning.
Good morning.
Miss, come here, 1 minute. Miss, I know where just my calling here, Miss Burton.
Yeah, man.
Where she is?
You want you're not the right lane, man. If you just go up and you can't quite see the turning yet, but you see where them group of people are stand up? If you not reach so far, you bend the corner and then you go down a little bit and you see the house.
Alright.
Then, you know, long me a purpose to want woman to ask because I want man give you the direction, you know. And me I say, man, we send you on the wrong lane and that me I tell me that and she go tell me, say,
Yeah, man, you
me
can
cost
listen
too
to your
much.
mother. You can
Me I
listen
listen to her, but she just walk for her right there, so and he ready for cuss.
And I go tell me, you say,
He
see
never
we
trust
fight. I know to fight. You don't want to go fight.
I'm sorry,
Me never tell her that. Me tell her say me I go put her to take the lick and then me lick and fight and run down.
You can run left your mother?
No, she can't run too faster than me. No, make him fool.
So why you faster than you know? You're a young one. Me I get old, you come on.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, bless,
you.
well
God
good.
bless
No
you.
walk as far as the group of people, you've gone too far.
Alright.
How are you over here, sir?
Oh, but that's one the boss, and I'm boss and I work for. Live. That's all. Don't think that is. So, what not do?
Just make a pass member uniform then.
So, what I'm to the next just make out, so I'm telling about. You no longer the regular one.
Eh, no billy
No,
good.
no, she said that the one that she wanted.
No billy good.
So, oh, no, so just make up, so who carrying up already?
The direction we asked from all the way down the road coming up. I tell her, I say, man, we send in the wrong direction and she not listen to me.
Me listen, yeah.
Alright, so you want to know, you cook.
No, me no cook.
Where we reach she then?
I don't know where is Riri from. When Riri gone, I don't know where Riri
No, but if
gone.
you go somewhere, you know, to carry Riri on the road, you know.
We know
Say,
we go past
Riri gone, I don't know where Riri gone.
So, I'm not sleep the
No.
2 nights and you don't know if Riri, you can't find Riri.
Well,
I
me
told me
no-
I
me
feel
no-
work,
me
you know,
no how
because
to
we have some
break it to you.
deadlines. And deadline we
I
have to
swear
do
I don't know how to break it to you.
Then that.
To tell you the truth.
Look where your penny head. I don't feel like you want your penny head. Cause boy, you want to make a school with them. I want people to look on you. So.
Alright. Go up at the dressmaker, young girl them, and me come clear the bill. Later. But not do the about 5 o'clock. When I get paid, I get paid in time. Go like 5 in the evening. So come in, so go take 1 3 hours in a year. So by 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
me fine, and we have paid.
So about
Or
to
something
me
to
here.
go now.
For a year,
For a
go
year,
do
alright.
next month. I got it there. She had up on the road. Woman,
Yeah, gosh.
me like
Why
when
me
they,
always have to come last?
me like when your ears,
Why me always have to come last in everything?
they always come last through. Because I know it takes time to come all the while. Yeah, that good.
You go like you too. You
When
too
we are
sweet
going
mouth
nowhere,
today.
you always have
Your
come
mouth
last.
too sweet. We can't manage you.
But know what you said? No, at least till the time I come. If a time never did I come now, that be a problem. But as long as you say you come to, till the time I come.
You know, say all what you do me these years and that sweet mouth, them let me stay with you.
I don't go and go do now. I
But-
have to go back on the road.
So,
I don't know just make up or something. I don't know about it. I'm a boss. I
me
call
not
him.
talk about no just make a, me just, your boss, up here so.
Yeah.
funny, you know.
No, I'm more than one house.
Anyway.
I'm more than one house. I work in. I'm more
Come,
than one
nothing
house.
not funny.
I rich people them man rich work for.
Remember
You always a pick up for your
I
father.
I
don't
rich
pick
people
up.
me work for.
If
You
you
always a pick up for your daddy. That's why you see you see me love Riri,
and
so
he
you know.
can't give you no money.
You
And you see him when I go
complain.
cuss her.
When me there yard, you complain. Say me there too
He
long.
said they are yard
I
and
know
he
me
not
there
go
for the
to
work.
work.
You see,
Work me a
You
work.
see, true, uno can get food no hair fit done. As uno say, uno want hair fit done. I don't want new clothes. I don't want
Because
new
them
shoes.
we have work for babe.
I don't get it
And
right
them me have to
away.
work for.
And that's
For
why
your
you pick up
parents
for
work
your
for you
father.
already. For your parents work for you, you know. Your
So
parents
you
work
don't
for
work for me.
No.
You have to work
the
me.
Them. You have to work you and work for the kids them. Alright. You go through life already and them and now to get a better start. You know.
Encouragement sweeten labor.
Yes, but for your labor you push out the people married to your labor already.
Right.
So you get encouragement.
One of them day the lock go spoil.
No, it not spoil. Me
Come
me
here,
me
come
turn
here,
lock
come.
me to pick a lock.
It's alright.
Alright, later babe. How about babes?
Baby, I'm there.
I see you really.
I'm there go and cook your favorite, you know?
No say that again. You know, say Rasta no in this, you know.
How?
When my favorite day, you attempt to cook my favorite today.
Man, yeah,
Oh,
but me not
but
cook
you
meat
can't have-
for you. Me
No,
not
but
cook meat
you
for
say
you.
you
You know.
there, look for my favorite.
Well, me explain what's your favorite
Oh,
because
no,
it seems
no,
like
you
you
don't need
get
to
me wrong
explain it to
fully,
me,
you know.
but me not like when
Me
I
I cook, so yeah, me not run a
But you
joke,
know,
man.
the kids them need them chicken and something. So
Yeah.
why you cook so much though? Are the whole neighborhood you feed?
Your pitney them yam enough.
But you know, you're not gonna force them too much to eat now. Yeah?
Me not force them
Yeah.
because
So-
I know them eat enough.
Yeah, but no make them rule you. You hear me say?
You know,
No make
that's
them
true.
rule
That's true.
you.
That's true.
Because you know, you're not this at the age. Look for me at that. Look for me, because I like looking at your face.
Hmm.
In not this a time I know. When you look in at the world, you know, see what they say now? Them are carrying AI and robot to come do the work. See we?
Oh.
See them lay off there and use some map floor. Now me I do the whole of the work and I buy the food and everything. Because they have a robot now I go sweep floor. Me not think no more work do they for you know, bumper. And me, remember me just meet you at the go-go club to see shot, look at something that's a waggle so and me really
Lord, man, you have to remind me of them there's something
I mean,
that
no
show.
want you go back down that road there.
Me not
Because
go
you
back down the road
remember
there.
why them put me out of the club and the man will see a bumper and go say, boy! And slap you and me and him, I have to take a Guinness back and lick him down. And then where me have to pull you out and then whatever go on, then me take you and then me give you 2 picnic. Right? And
Right.
put you and you go get good work though. And now you map floor now then sweep the work for under your foot. And put
I
over
may
there.
tell you.
But no worry about that though.
Anyway, you're not for about that still, cause
Aye.
Shorty not go back down them the road there.
No go back
You
down
turn me in
bumper.
a woman, you give me a house and 2 nice, beautiful
Pitney,
kids. Yeah.
Any bubble you bubble on a pole, I must see you, man.
Alright.
So you
Me
don't
know,
put that
man.
in your brain. So no matter what the work we then take for you, me I go touch the road and now, I go find something different. We are going to business and now. Me have to look at you on the road, I check them and see if they know so much about technology because we have to go find a way of we broke down the robot them. So them have to carry or repair it. And then we can. Just like how we fix car in Jamaica, we don't know about it. We just pull up parts and we just do something. When the robot come out, we have to fix it. We're going to that.
Okay.
Because we have to think fast.
That's
Hope
it,
say the 2 girl them take them book, you know. Hope say the 2 girl them do
Them
not
have-
feed them too much. I want them know about engineering
My
so they can
God,
pull
baby.
down the AI
But you have to
system.
feed them for them keep up their little body and make them brain
No.
function right.
Feed them brain food. Just, you know, when them just start with
Then
this.
that's why you buy so much brain food. Carrots,
Yeah.
then sweet
But they
pepper,
love the
them
chicken,
sweet
man. That
potato.
chicken they
Right,
love.
you know, see a pity them.
But
You have to
alright,
make
give
them
them
enjoy
that.
themselves.
Alright,
like
anyway.
that.
Me now go too
So
far
what
now.
you say? A callaloo you want today or cabbage? What you want?
You
Or
buy some
fish?
veggie chunks. No, no
Veggie
fish.
chunks.
No fish around here.
Alright.
Yeah. Just give me
Alright.
some veggie chunks.
With
Right?
your dasheen and your
And
sweet
dasheen and the
potato.
sweet potato, Irish and the rare. But you never know.
So what you want your veggie chunks to do? Curry down or
No curry for night veggie chunks. It have a natural curry.
natural?
Just give me it with the just like you do. You know if you do it, you know. See brown in there, if you touch the brown in pan it. Dark I be.
I'm upset. You see if I'm watching, you know. Me I watch you, you know.
Yeah,
'Cause
watch
you,
me.
you look like yeah, get out of hand for what you like me nah work pan you good, you know. Like somebody else a take over, but
No, nothing like that, man. Nothing like that. You never know. I'm going to tell you, you see the people that when we work for us every time they chip out for 1 month and 2 weeks and come back and forth. Why right now them out to kill with work? Because they get a new contract. But anyway, as long as the money come, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry yourself.
well, I know only the money alone run things around here, you know. Because the people them need them father more than how you show up, you know. You show up. You not show up the way you used to, and it affect them brain.
They come because me go in and out. So same way now, me have to go in and out, go look money and come back in with money. Talk the truth, I'm go away for a long time and I come back, me give you what you forget. So listen up, food everything.
So what I know, baby, you know think you would have better if them see them father come in more often and all them something.
I don't want no kids see me come in. One thing.
If them, you know, think you would have better if them see you forward at home.
No, but me there now. But I'm going to go now. Go do some more money. No worries, sir. Me just make sure them put them brain. Right? Them put them brain.
Yeah, go on. I'm they look the two now, you know, for wash your ear and things. So you try make yourself.
No worry yourself. We go down by the river. Down at the river we are do that.
So what you tell me if you look the two now?
No, the two now good no want to go carry two now by the river.
Oh.
Night river we are going now.
Alright.
When beer done wash, everything will get washed up.
Right, alright. And them something I love here, you know.
We know.
Yeah.
You know, so
you saw my cock up and thing? Them something them I love here.
Down by the river.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm here to say your daughter take my money.
You here say my daughter?
Yeah, I take my
You know me?
Yeah, I know.
You know my daughter?
Yeah.
How my daughter look?
She brown and she short-ish and she name Riri.
Well, come out the road. I don't want that vehicle to bounce you. What you said to me now?
Riri, I take my man because I don't see my man for a couple of days.
Look at Riri.
Yeah.
Take your man and put him where?
Yeah.
When gone with him?
I don't know where she carry him, but I hear say she take my man.
Riri live in my yard and she no can no man there. So
well,
she can't.
Your daughter sneaking, you need to watch your daughter then because Riri I take my man.
But anyway, me no involved in them tech argument there. And I never know say she a go down the road because me told her say anything she a take, she will take her book. First thing she will take her book. And watch me and her. But anyway, go talk to her mother.
Her mother they down there?
Her mother down there.
Because I down there, me and go know, you know.
No good down there too virtuous, you know. Because for me woman head not good enough.
And you have that,
see bump. Listen, yes, yeah, but take your time and approach her decently. Because I don't want she bounce with the bumper, you know. Because I don't have no money to carry to the hospital. Alright?
Alright.
So you take your time, go down there, go talk to her because all of we in the same area. Alright? So, it wrong for her because she will study her book. You talk about school?
Yeah, look for when I left school.
Why you left school?
2 years now I left school.
Why?
I graduate.
You graduate?
Yeah.
No, you didn't look down so what days. So you graduate already?
I graduate.
You graduate?
I'm not really stay in a place, you know. So
you're true, I never see you for when. Where your mama there?
My mother gone to foreign.
You gone foreign?
Yeah.
Oh, that God, you not go foreign too?
No.
You love Jamaica?
Not ready yet.
You love hard life?
Yeah.
Anyway, I want money, man. You have?
Yeah, I want money, man. So now that's why she take man.
Anyway.
Yeah, that I look a bit and sneaking.
But you know. Me no, no, you mess it. Do not give me the information because still I don't trust the argument. Me don't know what you talk about because my daughter them is angels. I don't think they're doing that. But anyway, talk to them, mama, and make your mama talk to me. If them really have man, a problem for me. Who should I say I have man?
Really?
All right, watch me and her. All right, watch me and her.
She no call me. Oh, call me. I'm gonna cut my door.
Hello. If you see your daughter come take my man, I'm come address it to you.
Adjust it to me.
Yeah.
My
Tell her
daughter take
say,
your man.
For stop take my money.
You ever see my daughter?
Yes.
Pan your man?
Yeah.
Pan your man?
Yeah.
You sure say you see
Yeah.
my daughter? Pan your man?
Yeah.
So that you come and knock down my door
Yeah.
for? I should have had a little hot water for dashing in your face and not open the boy. You come and talk about my daughter. Take your
Tell
man.
the daughter say anyone me see her and anyone me buck her, me and her gonna have it up.
No. If
Tell
you
her
are my
say,
daughter, I will
stop
talk baby
take
lover.
my
Me
man.
and you have to go
Tell her
about
say
it.
stop take my man and me done.
Because any day you see my daughter road in a mess with none of them, you know. Any which one of them I take your man call now, you know, tell me which one of them. And I told that I have. Riri, I take your man.
Yeah, she same one.
What's your man?
You.
Me take
Go on like you're innocent.
But this
you
a
a
little
take
girl.
my man, girl.
Come over here, so
You a
Riri.
take
Come here,
my
so.
man.
Come here, so.
Me take your man.
Yeah, you see one. Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of argument?
Hello. You know what your sister do too, so the two are no innocent.
Look here,
You
girl.
play innocent
Delete
role.
yourself from out
Hello.
of us. Come
Hello,
here,
Anna, come
move.
move me. Come move me.
Come here, this
It
look like
Come
Come
Alright. Come here. Come here.
Hello,
Come here, Kai. If you don't fall over here, then come here. Come here.
You have my man and me say
Oh, no, say no further not mix up in a banger and you know.
Me and you are gonna have it out.
Oi, lock your mouth in my place. So when you're up in my place, you just
I want
know
to
how
that
to chat up
lady,
in
yeah.
my place.
I want to that woman, yeah.
Mommy,
Lady, watch out and
Confronting,
face.
you know.
Stop take man here. That me
Riri,
I want.
let me ask you
Stop take my
something.
man.
Yes, mommy.
My daughter, not even 18 yet. Yeah,
You
and
know
you
that
are come
she
up here in
was
my
born.
place. I come tell me, say my daughter with the 17 years,
She
I take
same
your
one.
man.
Yeah. She
Mommy,
go
I
like
lie.
she
Mommy,
innocent.
We will get down to this.
you shut
Listen,
your mouth
Riri,
over there,
we will get
Selena.
down to this.
Mommy,
Go sit down.
Mommy, me
And me and Riri always there on our room. You see we gone away? We don't go nowhere. We be a little fear.
So how is it my daughter taking your man?
Alright.
Everywhere are the two of them.
Long run.
So how is it when Riri with the have time to left Keda and go take your man?
Another come on road now, no girl. Come on road, me get come.
Left out come up, hey girl, left out come up place. Left out here. Their father should have there.
Angle, back your door.
Court, what about your business, girl? But take your man. Who want your man? You mangy like dog.
Listen, mommy. Mommy didn't do her. What she come over here for, mommy?
She come over here for the right thing. Cause you see?
Eh? What? No, sorry. A prank. Cool.
So where you come here, suffer?
Well,
Because me hear a little commotion.
Because it look like I say you. You know, say me. I wonder if you have some secret I hide for Riri. You know.
mommy.
Are you gonna talk to me today?
We didn't even have
Mommy.
a secret. Mommy, everything wanna tell you.
Mommy, I know that we don't have no secret because we don't have nothing from you, mommy.
Riri, I go ask you again. Because when your father come in, I go tell him all these things, you know. So you see, it's a different thing.
Mommy, we not take nobody, man. I never see that girl in my life yet. I force me to see her. Me don't know what she.
So how she just come up in here so I talk about you at the car,
I
man?
know.
Mommy, there's a lot of people.
You have a twin?
Yes.
Will look like you?
Me a
Baby.
But Riri, let me tell you something. You see, man, leave man alone. Them are crossing. And the only thing them want is to come have sex with you, spoil you, get you pregnant, drop you out of school. You want none of that?
No.
Oh.
You still don't cook? But that we did come to come after. Now I really did cussing. But I fool, you can't check.
You not done yet, you know. So nobody think say done yet.
Hold on.
So nobody come sweep me up and come ask me if me don't cook. You want your father come? You and him. And Mia.
Yeah. Let me see what I throw.
Anyways, girl, you know what I said? We talked to Daddy last night and he say, he might go carry ring light come give me. I'm asking for. Ring light when me ask Daddy for. He say my car come today. Yeah.
I can't be saying if you buy me an iPhone 16, because iPhone 16 come out and I want the iPhone 16.
Your chest too high.
So that they buy you ring light.
Because your chest too high. No. Ask you something simple.
One iPhone is simple.
That not simple. Too dear. Ring light now kind of cheapish. So yes, ask you something different.
Yeah, my sister, but me kind of not like you.
5'2".
No man, no man yet. We cannot like here, because when you coming on life, everything to me just.
How me I hear? How me I hear?
And
No
how that
like, no
transfer?
like. What is this? You nearly get 6. What is this? No like. Oh, what?
Everything. No, mommy. You can't bother.
I feel live good, you know. Me
Mommy,
know
she too bad mind.
with what?
She here say me I get ring light and something you know like me. And she
So
want
you not get
iPhone.
plenty things. Me tell you, see if you learn for sheer man. Me love.
Tell daddy from Wappy Kill Philip say, me need a new iPhone.
You don't
this
need
trend.
your want.
This stop trend. Me
It
tell
work.
them one.
It
work,
work. It stop work.
Tell them me need an iPhone and all me can
You
get
don't
iPhone.
need your want. And this me love. When you unite and play together and live together. Me no want hear no argument, man. Over material things that everybody got to leave. It's still a work.
She not dead for now. You see what I say?
Me no want call nothing like that. Ah.
You want?
Ring light come. Thanks.
Check it out, plug in and see if it work. But check it and see if it work, because if it not work,
It's nice.
Alright.
Yeah, man, go on.
It's nice. I
Well,
like it.
come. You and your sister can use it. I don't fear it. You use it too.
Aye.
Come up if your
Fix
sister
your
can use
face.
it too. When I want family, I don't know how make you look like how. I look a sister if you appreciate things she. Yeah, man, happy for your sister. Happy for your sister. You know. I remember when I was small.
Nice.
You see, for one piece of bread.
Phone.
Make sure you
Come
look
here,
after
borrow your
it.
phone. Come and leave my phone out there, so. Yeah, go on use it too, you know.
You look nice,
I mean, I'm
man.
gonna tell you say no use it.
Oh, you look like an unplugged fan, you know. You just realize it.
You can't go in a charger.
So how you buy it without plug B?
No, but you know, say I go to the place and tell, give me one of the big one because.
Hello. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So when me I get the iPhone.
Well, here we go on now, no. We go down to one place. And
Watch out.
yo, Jah Rastafari, I need an iPhone. And cause and controversy. You know what I mean? With the whole argument about iPhone and iPhone this and. So when I tell them, sorry, I'm not about one on iPhone.
What? I mean, that's what I asked it.
No, I'm going to the place to go buy the iPhone.
Which place, Daddy? Which place?
Not down at the phone place.
Yes, I go to a phone store, right? And what do you say?
I know on the phone store, I go down to one store, they don't sell them. They don't sell iPhone today.
So why you good on there?
No, because somebody tell me, say, me can get the iPhone there.
No.
But they said, like I want pawn shop like, but then an iPhone there.
Oh, just try a different place.
No,
man.
so I cannot, so you see, this iPhone business is very expensive.
So she get that and me can get iPhone.
It's not expensive.
Okay.
I go buy you one Android phone and bright iPhone panny. I wish which series you want it. iPhone 20?
A 16.
What can you do on Android?
You want an iPhone 20?
iPhone 20 don't come on yet, Daddy. Want the
No,
iPhone
but-
16.
Listen up. This one is small. You know what we used to use the phone? We used to tie
String.
one string
Cup.
in a one cup.
You remember them
Yes, them days, yes.
days?
And then we start to hello, back up, yeah.
And the signal better
And the
too.
signal better. And you wanna know the beautiful part about that? You not have to buy no credit. You not
No,
have
no,
to charge
about that.
it.
It's
It's
in a
ready.
phone time. It's in a phone time and my time now. Me need an iPhone. Tell me need an iPhone. Me can't get an iPhone.
What I'm saying to you though,
Give me money to go buy an
blessed
iPhone.
is the child that keep by themselves and no want nothing what them papa can afford. You go send me if you got thief. You send me if you got thief. This year 1 year, you know. Me know say I haven't been around every day, you know, because I've been busy working. And working is not boy. I work
Pull
this
down your
finger
clothes.
off. You know, see me not there for much time, you no see me, you no see no pupa. You know, wonder why me not there so much. Me have to chip out 1 2 week, I want 2 months, I want 3 months. Because when me at work on the road, me can't get time not to eat or sleep or reach back on my yard.
Daddy,
I'll 1 week without a road there and I come back.
Daddy,
Oh no, sorry for me, you talk about iPhone.
Dedication and
Daddy,
love.
you see, maybe like say each round is one happy family. So Me know this turban, I'm gonna take a
Look
walk.
at sister.
Take
look
a
at.
walk, you sit down,
Look
do
here, look here,
something
look
and
here.
wait till I don't
A
talk to you.
three phone holder they on this, so you can go and use it. My phone, they got so few phone, they just throw it
there?
and use.
That's why
That's
I bought
sharing.
it. And you see that one here? She's gonna be the peacemaker. Cause blessed
need
are
a
the
bit-
peacemaker shall be called the children of God.
Thank you.
So three phone.
No, it's for hers and on the sharing it.
Yes.
Alright, so
You
you
never
know.
asked for this.
So I get one headpiece seat, one plug, the plug part, to plug it into the current. But that's in there, we call this one?
Adapter.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, the bright one. I don't know about some of them talk about iPhone, but anyway.
So me why don't one?
I don't talk to you, you know.
Yeah,
Hello, you
just
see
said
that
she
look
had
one
the bright one.
You know, no manners, you know. Unless if you grow her good, go for your beat her, you know. Because, see, if you don't beat her, she go walk by you when time comes. So if you see,
She know who, Duppy know who for frighten.
look
Don't
at,
be careful.
look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. I work with them, say I'm going to look for you right now.
They
That
appreciate
they
love.
don't wear the high quality shirt because the color too bright for you, they dirty though.
No man, here we know. This clothes no mean much to me, you know. When me I work with this, I work because main thing I think about are the money for to get.
See, not many
Just
men
the
do
fact
that.
some for to get some money. And I work on myself, after some money I come. Because the new boss, whenever I work with the company now, I US then spend.
Yeah,
Okay,
post
me
one
love that.
US then spend, so some of US are float by US.
Sweet.
Alright.
Now when they get
Sweet.
US, we can get iPhone 16.
Nothing to do our phone, you know.
What do your phone do?
Nothing to do it.
When you say you want that phone, I bought that phone for you.
That's when 12 is in progress. 12
Yes.
done out of progress.
But you
Let's
what?
see.
You go beat the 12 until you can buy the 17 and 18. Because we are turn bigger now. Alright? You know out school yet? So you buy fast here, put in a fast here. Every little thing you know so no one. I do it.
Follow
And you're
fashion.
not
fashion?
appreciative. You know how much you want iPhone 16?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't
look
care.
for 200, 300,000.
Shut
I
up.
will not take that money.
You know you
buy
can't
no
do with
phone.
that.
Alright, so anyway, I go when I shower to touch back out on the road.
Alright.
But me there for about 2 weeks. So you go
That
see
me love.
you no go see me face.
Mhm.
So you no cook yet.
That we are gonna do.
Alright, you no cook or not cook. And then when you fresh up, we can go in the town, make you go look on the beach.
And
Because-
get ice cream and thing.
and we can look on people eating ice cream.
No,
me no get the
man,
US
I
money
di-
yet. Me no get the money yet. You see, if I get, do me tell you something. Me no get. Me tell you a while ago, say. Let me say. Repeat
So
what
you
me
know
say.
have the Jamaican.
No, the Jamaican money not so strong.
It was strong enough
No,
for
no, no,
ice
no, no,
cream,
no.
fireman.
From
Hot.
what day me not come back home, you know. It's like, me tell you what go on now. The system then carry to AI for me. So me out there fight with AI, I try to keep my job right now that me I work on, I try to keep my
Yeah,
job.
man.
So, sake of that now, I don't get to get enough work in. Look at work when I get to them. Watch, I mean, I'm a white shirt. I'm really have to do work.
And I may have to go wash that.
Alright, know where yourself.
Alright.
What will I show on TV?
Alright,
Then
now
we
go
look
start
on
the
the
food.
beach. Alright, right.
I never think I want to go to the beach.
Alright.
My girl, it's
Remember, say enough yet, you know.
my ring like this now.
Remember, enough yet. So nobody get too
Go have your
comfortable.
phone. Go have your phone.
Don't bother get too comfortable.
Me can get this damn mash up.
Go on, B, go on. You not have to fret, just go on home. No, me not getting about no fret. Just go on home. You hear? B. Yeah, you can't forward that now. Me I wait for you. Hurry. Cause a long time me I wait. Alright, later.
TB,
Yeah, B.
come on.
Forward him, son.
Me have to go home now.
B, where you go?
Me have to go home now, so later.
One more time, no, please. One more time.
No, me have to
Please.
go home now. You have to hear, you know, sometimes you have to hear.
Just one. Just one.
Wait, tomorrow, me have to go home now. All the rain I go fall. Come on. You have to just wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow, me can spend whole day with you.
Make sure, you know. Make
All
sure.
right. I'm going to spend whole day with us so tomorrow, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, B. Me here.
All right. So not bite me.
Just come now.
Can't give me a... Oh, God, me go.
B, me no want to go so fast.
Me have to go. You know, say you have to stop it, though.
Hey, girl, me not catch you now. Where you do you so with my man? Oi, where you do you so with her?
Girl?
You know, talk no. What you do with my man?
What you mean?
What you do with my man? Me not catch you now.
I'm gonna
Hello. Don't touch my man, you know. Don't touch him. Don't touch my man.
Girl, you know, say if I didn't have you that one, your man who did that straight. Your man who did that straight. Your freaking man who did that straight. Your man who did that straight. Let me go. You say, come back over me. Let me go and go for what? Argue with your man. Go argue with your man.
I do it. Up with it.
Idiot, girl, you're cool now.
Hello? Yes, girl. You say you make me thiefy man money? Yes, me thiefy. And make sure say you come for it. Me I go leave it over the community center, right at the fireplace so we keep the party the other night. So make sure say you come for it no, because me no want nobody find me. Yes, girl, if I never for you. You see things them way you make me do. Make sure say you come for it, girl. As you see, you're not able.
Hello babes, what's up? Oh. Don't worry about the bills them, man. The person who do some work for them, I wait for them. I want to cook and wait for them, they say them are forward. So that I wait for them to collect the money and forward. But don't worry yourself, man. Some go reach you. Soon forward. Yo, bad boy. You know what's see one place where we can keep the party. Yeah man, right over on the beach park boy. I see one look for place party and cook some of the time. You know what I mean? That look like it could be a nice you could cook off, man. I mean, we don't know much in a rent that place for. I look like we can put one gate and one look part and the next part almost fenced already. So you look like a one good look venue where just appear up. Now look like a good amount of people can keep on put one little sound system on here and pay charge and look for food coming. Alright, we talk about we have to try to make some money, you know. Yo, right now, you know, member saying a 2 yard me control, you know. 2 woman, 4 daughter. So you know when bills are coming, come from left, right. You know what I mean? So We have to always think about different way of making some money, man. But we got a reason, man. Because I think this is a nice venue, we can kick off something. Yeah, man. With a water bottle. What is that? What if I cold in this shop? You can get that cold. Lucky day today, man. That's for real. Truck, you know. No, what? One on the fire, so. Yeah, boss, you are going. Yeah, me the day I wait for you, man. I couldn't wait no longer. Just drop off your money. Out of my yard. No, I'm not bad one night town, man. I'm good, man. Just drop off your out of yard. Yeah, when you are forward back up. Yeah, man. Everything good. I couldn't wait.
God. Hey, now for the good and the doctor office then, cause I don't like doctor, I don't go down there.
Alright,
I swear, yeah, I help say my cousin. Watch out, nothing girl, me there. You're good, yeah, girl. You?
Yeah, then the doctor office me a come now.
Oh, girl.
I'm pregnant.
I lie.
Yeah.
I'm never said, man, you pregnant, girl?
Yeah, me have man.
Stop the lie.
Me have man.
What your man name?
His name Tibi.
Huh?
Tibi.
No, me not here. What you say?
My man name Tibi.
TV.
Yeah, man, one and only Tibi Riches on the media. On all platform.
Eh? Oh.
Yes,
So my cousin got on there because our man named Tibi.
I mean, my man name Tibi.
Our man named Tibi, so she a breed film. So I want to know that situation you go. So
Oh,
when
your
she
cousin
come,
man look.
wait no, him tall and him brown and him slim. So my cousin come and start
your
talking.
kid no come back, so?
Yeah.
No, your cousin a breed for another man.
Him, because up there me and Nara come from.
Me your friend for a long time, you know.
But me not pick up for no now, no, me just a tell
you.
you.
You have to thump in your mouth. Because my man can't be your cousin. You're the who save a
Alright, wait till my cousin reach. Yeah, wait, girl, yeah, wait.
Oh, God, girl.
Cousin, you want you that mix up and she say her man named Tibi and she a breed film.
Why? Oh, why?
Yes, cousin. No old mama and let it go. She say her man named Tibi and she a breed for him. I'm describe him and she say I saw him look.
So, how long now you have breed for Tibi? Good while now.
We call good while. You
Good
reach 1
while.
month?
Yes, that come here go.
How much month?
Don't worry about how much money me a breed for or who
Tell her say you live with him.
You mean by who me a brief? I know me baby father.
Why your baby father?
One Tibi Riches on the media.
I must want other Tibi. I must the alien or the AI Tibi.
I must
And the real
Tibi
Tibi.
you have. I can't the real one.
And the real one she a
And
breed
me
for.
a breed for 2 months now, you know.
You see thing with it one on delusion.
But all the things me they do, I hide my belly from my mother. My mother don't really know about my belly yet. So, me don't know what you they talk about.
You better go back to the office there and tell them you need an abortion.
Tell them you need an abortion. You tell them say you need abortion.
You just rank enough of my people business. No one day shape like an alien. Same set out of my way because you're not breed for my man or some other
You're not breed for my man. No, first of all, the and him live, and me and Tiberius live. If
And me, I am live when he come on my yard and in the morning shift.
When?
Night shift in the pan and the morning shift. You don't tell me nothing.
Morning shift?
I work in the right now. You don't know house with my man.
You know they are no work and me bedding lie down in right now. You want to see? Me can bring it there. Make me show you some bedding lie down in now.
Hey! So we have to say now.
I'm going you work for night shift and morning shift. You see when you see when you gone out night time and I'm a bed in there. You see you tell us you gone out morning and I'm a bed in there. So me don't know what you talk about. Come on.
Hey, girl, left for.
You should have seen when the girl lick me. Come on. Sure.
Girl, I got a lot.
What?
No. Oh, wait, do you just me? I'm not sure.
Hmm?
You know, just it.
Yeah, man, it's not food too.
Oh, come over here, so I'm bossy bump.
Girl, take time with me, take time with me.
What you mean take time with you? So me and you ever ramp. Me not see no difference in
Girl.
what we are doing right now.
Don't man, let me alone.
What do you?
Girl,
So.
no for true.
What the head and top going so strong, yeah, what? I must see Roman Reigns and your papa, Sarah, Becky Lynch.
Take time with me now. You not understand me, tell me take time with me. Come me just come from today, me go to hospital. Me go to doctor.
Where you go hospital go to?
Doctor, me going to hospital, me go to doctor.
For what?
Hmm?
For what?
Me pregnant.
Girl, I run too much joke. Even though say you don't prank me, no, but that one I got too far. What?
Do you look like I'm not?
No, anytime you play a prank with me, you're ever so serious.
Me 2 months pregnant. Remember the man boy will set me up on. Well,
What?
he fat up my belly for me. Plus, you don't know say him breed one in that girl. Me and the girl buck up when me go check do all go check up. The girl a grab me in my head back.
Girl, I know you just tell me them there before you come so we can come on the road and come this somebody then I know so nobody can do you know.
Girl.
You know
Right
what I height. Look on David and Goliath.
Right now, me not even know how me go tell mommy and daddy.
No worry, me tell them to your girl.
No, me want to tell them myself. Me just wait for the right time.
You have to tell them from early so they can just start live and accept it through. Until it better if you tell them no and before you start showing then they go say, oh, did you really do? Nah. Okay, done.
I'm not the right time yet, girl. Me no know.
Girl, at the right time. Give me this. But me not say no, I swear. Make it.
Make sure.
Yeah, one back go done. Me sorry. Yeah. Mommy, what? Mommy.
Yeah.
Eh?
What?
Guess what? Very pregnant.
I wear the cow, but I wear the...
You just tell me a while ago and you say me no fit tell you and me say me I can't tell you because I'm afraid to tell you.
So what kind of secret that we keep?
I don't know for secret he say my way upon the right time, but me tell him say there's gonna never be the right time. Let them tell her. And me say me I come run I can't tell you right now, even though me just tell him say me not tell him nothing.
No. Oh, so Riri let down me and her? I don't know, father.
I don't know, maybe Oxford. He's saying 2 months soon.
2 months in. So when that little dry foot girl did come up here talk about him, man.
Wow. She tell me so she never got no. So I remember say we have back door now, mommy. So almost when me asleep at night time, me go through the back door. I have that me not say no one else way.
Me feel say you're behind something
No,
in
me
this
not
thing.
behind not a thing. Me behind Jesus.
Go
I
call
am Jesus
Riri.
the same.
Go and call
So
Riri.
come here, Africa. Me
I
just
said
tell
go
you, say
and
she
call
said
Riri.
she don't ready to tell you. Call him out in her room one day.
Riri! Come here. Pregnant. In a Hoover place.
We tell you, say you should talk, you know, because she said she never ready and you gotta create
No,
problem.
Riri.
she
Either him
not
have to go
tell
pack
me
him
no
bag or
more.
go. But me, no. This not right. And that man from when he left say he soon come all knowing can't come back. You see? That is why a home need both parent figure up a child.
How do you?
Riri,
Yeah?
you have something to tell me?
No.
Riri, may I go ask you again? Riri, you have something to tell me?
No, mommy.
Riri, may I go ask you one more time? Because it look like I say, You lose a screw. Me last all words. Riri, you have something to tell me?
No, mommy.
Riri, come closer. You have something to tell me, Riri?
Mommy, no.
Kenna, tell me what you tell me a
Me
while.
can't say but me tongue tie up.
Me not have no big tell you, mommy.
Riri. Me not hear say you're pregnant.
Anybody tell her that I them pregnant, I wrong somebody a drip up. I can't, I'm pregnant.
Kenna
So
pregnant.
how you know say I me say it then, girl? You see, mommy?
Riri. You know what? Me not even deal with you. You know. Just when your father come, then we are gonna have it out. And me I go see how you go. So keep it to yourself. Don't talk to me. Talk to your father.
Mommy, I'm going back. Girl, me tell you so me never say nothing.
Start who chat then? Who chat? Dumpy?
Yes, Dopey.
Lock up your mouth too.
Years.
Lock up your mouth.
Me, mommy.
No, oh, you get tender now. Go in your room. Let me check again now, no, in there. Wait till your father come here. Open the door.
I go on and take too long to open the door.
So wait there. How are you there for when?
I tell you, say, from what you, I just be a work from what you, man. I just get a time off. I tell you.
Anyway, before you go no further, I have news. Come sit down here, so. I don't want you need them failure. I don't want your foot failure. Just sit down.
Last time you sit down, so you're pregnant, you know, you breathe that third one now.
If I made it a breed by, it would have better.
How I breathe?
But this year, I saw one is.
Tell me what going on?
Just call your daughter. The one when you Riri.
Riri!
Hmm.
Forward there.
Lord. You know, so I'm tired of this. And that I tell you, I tell her all the time. I say, look here. The pitney them need you in here. Me alone can't manage you as a mother with 2 girl pitney.
What one? Your mother same say you have news. What kind of news now?
No, tell her to come in front of you. What she had decide where I do.
Come on, sir.
Come in front of your father.
What one?
Put the 2 hands on his side. I don't want to see no follow man.
What one?
No shit, no head.
You say nothing no go on.
Talk to your father or let me a call Kena.
I don't know what kind of mommy I talk about me last too. Them have news for me too. Me don't know what happened. So,
You see me tell you?
she has got
You
tell
always a complain so me not fi beat them. I must
I
deal
know.
with them in a different manner.
Yeah, I said deal with them.
Eh?
But me they fear you.
Me not fi beat
you
them.
beat them. But you squeeze them. You can't keep them put me in Japanese side, but no, you know, beat them like a beating stick.
He wouldn't like me if kick it in foot right now. See me tongue all a twist.
it like Kena. Mommy head.
Lean up off of this so.
It's like them juke up
Kena,
mommy and Kena head.
come here, baby girl.
No, I'm confused. Because I'm not telling the story, not to know. Really? What is a really going?
No, daddy.
Really? You're pregnant?
No, daddy.
Well, only one way to find out. You bring her down to the clinic already? Did you bring her to the clinic? I don't know.
So where?
Hello, what one?
Kena don't tell the father no lie.
Me don't know. Me tell her say you feel better and you just jump it.
What? Your sister pregnant?
Ask her, say she better.
Me ask her, she said no. You bring her to the clinic?
Mama answer the question and you look at me.
You bring her to the clinic?
I don't bring her to the clinic.
Alright, so no worry, said man, she not hungry.
She not
That girl is a virgin.
She's a virgin.
She's a virgin. Virgin 1, virgin 2. But I saw them used to spread rumor and people.
You mean virgin 1 and virgin 2?
You don't know. But hear me I say now.
Mm-hmm.
Then I look up at me and I look. When you go on the bed.
Yeah, good night.
If I did the all I wanna breed, it wouldn't so bad.
Don't sleep on the
But you say, you not care to the clinic.
So how
Can you prove that she a breed?
No worry yourself. Then say no go it a go in a come it a come.
Hear me I say now. Where are they there? The breeding argument does that mean motivated. Like I want more pick me one.
Motivated, don't worry yourself.
Give you one more. Yeah. All this talk about breeding is giving me a motivation. It's a motivate me. To give you one more right now. We're going I guess room.
One thing me I tell you see? Any day we find out if Kena, me always a mix them up. If Riri pregnant in ya, well, but me and him now push. Me and him now go down a clinic one time. Me no in a hit.
Hear what? Put all of them things aside. You have to do the right thing, you know. Did you bring her to the clinic or the doctor?
Me not bring her to no clinic and the doctor. I wonder if you know say our sister she tell.
No,
And our sister
yeah,
come
must
tell
something,
me.
you know. You see more chat anything. You ever know? Out of the 10 times then you think say you're pregnant. Only 2 times you went correct, you know. But a several times falls alarm. Like you breed me and no. And then no people no come.
Me a big woman. You see when my hormones them kick in, yeah. Me we miss my period and all of that. So and you know they are forgive me as much as when my body require. Sure.
You want know? You see when you get it, you have to take it and make it serve you. Every time you say, belly hot, your belly cramp up and rare. When me I give you the loving, you have to take it, put down some like how you put it down in a bank, you put down some in some little corner. And you know, so when me know, and so you know, me go so. So that's it, waiting me about so.
So you say you go bank to bank?
Yes, so me ensure, say, you have your cruise and corner, so
and you start them me go.
Yes, so everything good. So if it was a serve if you give a month, so we're missing none of this on work.
One thing me can tell you lucky say, me no love share. You say if me do love share, Bun would that be your best friend.
Well, enough of them bun argument there. Only thing to get bun up and now you just carry come turn it up. Come on I guess room. Hold a beard first and you turn it over one way and deal with it.
Me don't even know where you come from. You go and I don't want nothing.
Me say, alright, one beard, but later you will change your mind. When you see what you want, your moon will shine.
You go and go beard. Me we know. Me I go examine it.
Yeah man, you come and test it.
Alright.
They are well, you know. You hear me say now, you ain't gonna look on the place and tell about over so.
Well, you know, so I have it in mind though, but I ain't get reach over there, you know.
Yeah man, cause me I tell you so that here there, you have a big old space or so. Right and now, and if a fence up here, good. You know, nobody to worry about. Remember say, they must keep part over there every Sunday, you know. But on the over on the beach side, you know. The right side of the part, them have the center. When I look here, so run I back them have a concrete structure there. You can cook those up and use the rest of the place. But they put them sort of the sound system right on the concrete. And you go on the road. You can't lose that fight.
Yeah man, for real man, a good idea, you know.
Yeah man, you have to check out it man, for real man.
Yeah,
you
man,
know say,
real.
up on the road me have some look at things I deal with, but I say me I check it still to see where you deal with. You know what I mean? Because, like me tell you, you have 2 yards to take care right now. And you know, easy.
By the way, you know, so I see that up at one place, but I don't think she's supposed to be. We don't have a youth named Tibby. The youth, they have bad influence, you know.
Yo, me I tell this girl, because mother, you see mother, the mother is a problem, you know. Because, you know, say, we can't do 1 yard, you know. I have to have balance the 2 yard them, so me can't do that. So the mothers them have to know certain things. So me have to talk to them. Me have to talk to the mother, because 2, me I hear about the next one them too, you know. I mean about this, so 2 yard, me have a run. So me can't speak to, not 2. So me have to there so one 2 weeks, there so one next 2 weeks. Anyway, I don't want them life there though. But anyway, me go sort out that. But remember, you know, we want to do the party, you know.
Oh, you mean
Yeah,
if
man,
man, it, man.
just
Have to do it, you know.
ready, man. Because
Have
me have a look
to
at change.
eat, you know, man.
Yeah, me have a look at change, I know, you know. And I don't want it blow up. And we not start one good party. We part a yearly event and rare. You understand? So anyway, when my daughter have something to deal with, and she may get some things right now. Yo, a 4 pick me, but so many time it seems like a 40 pick me I take care of. The way them pick me I take money.
I don't lie, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
see system messed up at Jamaica, you know, man. You know,
Yeah, man, it hard
things
rough. Rough, yeah.
Yeah, man, things ain't rough out here.
But
But
anyway,
just go on do your things still, you know, because you don't know. We have to take on the road and do it, you know, but make sure you take up a daughter and hands. You are going to have some grandpicnic on your way.
and a 4
To
that
take
time,
care.
I don't know why me so bad
So,
luck.
boy,
You know, 4.
we don't know.
4 of them.
Yeah,
But
show
anyway,
us and be a daughter, yeah, show with. But go and take care of yourself.
Mommy? Hey, anything you do, man, me I tell you. Me don't know what kind of prayer you pray for me, but the blessings, me I tell you, far long for me. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, me just feel, yeah. So, me go ensure, say, you see the land up here there, I build one studio apartment pan. Me know, see, I have a look at house already, but if you want rent out, you want be pension, you want move out of the big house and be look at quarters, no matter what you want to do. But me, because you always pray for me, you know, and the prayer answer. What you mean? No wrong with me, man. And that. You go on now. Yesterday, me there one local place. And I search one and find a piece of money. Be a US money. Me I tell you, no US strong in Jamaica already. So you know, say you're good. Right? Yes. So give thanks to the prayer that you pray for me, because that one look like he answer. You pray for me last night, Joe? Or the day before? Or since week? We not go to church, right? Me I tell you. So, don't worry yourself, bro. Me not tell nobody about it. Not to my woman, me pitney. Nobody at all, me not tell. But only you me tell, so you know, say you're good. Alright? So, but everybody go get whenever get door. Me not left out nobody. Me up in accounts in each of the putting them name and set some money for fixed deposits when they reach an age. Them can get it. So them can say they never get a start. And you know, bad mind each other work, me just hope so they don't do that. But everybody have a money to get out of it. Them want to start and look at business differently from that. So don't worry yourself. But me go check you, man, if you check it from what day about me tie up. I do some work still and thing. But this year, me couldn't hold it. Me have to tell you. Say yeah, your prayer work. You always have pray everything's good happen. Something good happen to me because me always not good with money. So me I do good with that one, yeah. No, for true. Yeah, me go set myself. Yeah, me bet myself. Yeah, man. Give thanks to most side and I make myself. Alright, mom. Me give my link you do. Alright? We just call if you tell you. Yes, man. Yes. I will come to church you the next Saturday. I don't know about that, you know. I can't get past that 10%. No, I'm not doing later, man. Later.
No, someone. Sister, I want to take something else to know now. Something else. What if I say about the baby? I'm a baby. Baby? Yeah. Yeah, baby, you? Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I don't know about you. Let me tell you, say I do it. No, between me and the guy, but when you go check up on the belly, yeah. So suppose me
Belly, yeah. So what Multimasi was saying is true.
How are you for?
Yeah, let me add.
You know, who be
Kayla, I'm pregnant, you pregnant?
No, mommy, I'm not pregnant.
So what
that? What's that? You understand that?
Girl, stop.
Oh yeah, you live in my bed. I'm still up, me pick me up, sense.
Are you pregnant?
You're pregnant. What you get that morning girl in the yard?
So hold on. When in heaven's name you find time for find man and do the do?
You know the time I never have buy me the iPhone.
An iPhone get you pregnant? Oh, mommy want to know the name of the iPhone to get you pregnant. Am I figure mind this?
TV.
Yeah. Where it come from?
I don't know what me think. I don't know.
Hey, you tell him?
No,
But girl, how you really figure to do that? Unprotected?
He never think it would happen. He said,
Little girl,
Nobody
thank you for
here.
the information. Okay, this is family thing. You can.
come on, man. What do you
Thank you. And the next thing is you. How the bad side you make so we come out of my cigar like a man.
I think cause now breathe for the one man.
Mommy, my name tonight.
Yeah, because I breathe for the one man too. Yes,
Look at
because you got the doctor. Me see she got the doctor too.
So that you really pick up.
Me didn't know. And then she never knows that she am cousin I breathe for the one man. And
So-
she tell me and then me tell my cousin and then it reach up there like this.
Kakafat, what is not this? So what number you be? Eh?
What number baby?
What number you be? Cause it sound like it's number A, B, C, D.
Number 1.
Mommy, listen to me. Right now, let me call him man.
Yes, call him cause something have to run. Something have to run. Kayla. For real, after everything we talked to you about, you really got to do this. You ain't even reached. Something have to come forward. Me one now.
Guys, me like the phone shut off.
Lord, what is this? When last you talked to me, you even know say you're pregnant?
No, me never tell him.
Hey! Go find him number and phone him. And deal with it. And get hold of him. Because me want to meet this man.
Well, miss, you can't go home because you have to stress and lie me at you. And much as the man up there, you can't go up there.
So what? You never gone?
No, but he the other door.
Kakafat, come. You come too.
Yeah, come on.
Why? Let's have that talk about really.
Come man, come. Go on in. Cause I can't believe. I'll know me. Come in here, so. Come in here. Yeah, next one. Everything you know about him. I'll know me can't believe. Really, Riri?
Mommy, I mistake.
Mistake?
Yeah.
Riri?
Put me a carry pitney though.
Riri? You know name condom?
The boss.
So everything me say I have chat.
No, mommy, but I true.
Riri? You know say you let down me and your father bad.
It's not let down. You say baby a blessing. A blessing.
Baby a blessing. So what about the education to get a good work?
Mommy, work at least, man. We maybe take care of the pitney.
Oh, some money I go rely upon.
No, mommy. When the baby born or something, we go back to school and take care of the
So a money I go tell me say I go rely upon Riri.
No, mommy, I go to work and save my money.
Riri? No father work hard and take care of you, don't? Don't?
Yeah. Mommy, I never expect anything to happen.
He put in can't even there in yard. Hmm? He must be out there work right through. And at this way you repay your father with?
Mommy, you go
What you go tell your father say?
No.
No, me have to tell him. I have to tell him.
I'm not pregnant.
He's a father, him have to know.
No, mommy. I can't talk.
Him have to know. So I'll know me can't believe you.
What you plan to do?
So Riri, who for baby? Who for baby? The same man with the girl come up here, I say Riri,
Yeah?
the same girl I'ma put through my door and take that off of the cross say you not take man, Riri.
Yeah, mommy. Mommy, I can't.
Girl,
Kenna, come here.
Mommy, I
Kenna,
can't send me up on
Kenna,
the
come
man.
here. Come here, Kenna.
Mommy,
Come
I
in front
can't
of
send
me.
me up on the man.
Just say I've been there and go and
But
like
they
some-
shut them out and never tell me say me
What
have baby.
kind of style that? Oh, you forgot set up man for your little sister, Kena?
When they dip on the road, let me tell you what happened. When they dip on the road, they see the man,
mommy.
they like the man and they ask me if I go get him.
Hold on there, hold on. Stick up in. May I come?
Maybe daddy. You're not coming right. Hello.
What the? I who them, yeah? I who?
The next baby mother. Let her
The what?
Let her in, mommy.
What you say, Riri? Riri, come look if you know who they are, so.
The next baby
Me say
Auntie and me,
mother.
auntie, me come with some situation, auntie. Auntie, you see that lady, she, and she, the two of them are bring for you, one man, auntie. So, her mother come to sort out the situation, auntie. So, them hold me down and them to carry them come here, auntie. If me never carry them, they would have beat me.
Which hold it down? We are big people.
So who know?
Me get to understand. First of all, good night.
Me lock my door before TV come in here.
First of all, good night and good evening. Sorry to come in late.
Good night.
Me get to understand, sir. The same man that breed my daughter, my daughter breed, are the same man that breed. So, when it come round to the ties, we is the big people in this. We want to know, because nobody can contact him. I mean, if you know where I'm there. And we get to know, say, we have that connection, unfortunately. So I want to know if you have any more information.
You have the man number?
Where him there, and what is the story, because something I forgot.
Call the man there for me.
Let me call him.
I'm sure you agree.
Call the man there for me because this your party a bubble too long. You need to go down to your bottom now.
You know why best thing? Hello? She got that she missing. It was my God that.
Yeah,
everybody knows but the mothers.
I can't call look for me coming on.
No.
She get hold of him so quick and you can't
Yeah.
get hold of him.
Me not there.
Because she's
Alright.
not the
My
main
mother
one.
not there, I'm calling her there. I'm
Oh,
the
a
one.
side piece.
Here?
Yeah, she gone on the side and then touch her up.
Alright, hurry up and come.
That's how you see.
See?
You something that's alright with me in here right now. We not time for you. Them stupid shape.
So you might come?
Yes, in the panel we are come.
Alright.
Well, I'm papa. You're gonna argue with me in stupid shape. Sure.
So you say you might come?
Yeah, in the panel we are come.
You know, go let me get us done. Set good. We are move far. You say
I know me can't laugh, mommy.
Lady, it's not funny. I don't know why you dey laugh after. It's not funny.
No. Stop the laugh.
But me not ready to be no grandmother.
Go sit down, mommy.
You don't see all already. Oh, you mean say already for be no grandmother?
This not funny. Me not see nothing funny about this.
So
Stick your nose out of this. Stick your wow.
Make them take up your mother and make them a sit down. And your auntie to sit down.
Man, then get themselves comfortable. Go over this so. Cause you carry crosses come on my yard.
Then don't can't hold him man already, so you know really.
And you carry crosses come on my yard. You know why me a laugh? Me I feel say good God. Really? Really?
My dear,
Jesus
happy night.
Christ. Really, you don't know what to do with yourself. Because, tell me no.
I would say I call me. Yeah, what go on? Yeah. Alright then. Me have to go deal with something.
I know some here and you have to stink a road though. The ear say a breed too, girl.
No, people have spread rumors, man. They don't hear say can't go a courthouse. Me need to go up on the road, go deal with something fast.
No,
So-
sir, no, sir. Ear say always go right sometimes. To me, ear say a breed too, girl, a road. You know, want the relationship strong between me and you know, I know you're not breed me, you know. I want a baby too.
Well, one day that can work out, but me,
One day, no, I want the baby now. I want it now.
alright, me never think about that. But me have to make a run here now, because I get an important call. So, one up here till me come back.
important about that call then?
One of my brethren them call me.
You sure?
One of my brethren them call me.
Alright.
Say emergency, so I have to hurry up, move.
Alright.
Alright, go on up for yard.
How long you want to take, man?
He might come, man, he might come. He not take long.
Ah, talk to the devil.
Open the door, then, mommy.
Me if you open.
Yes, mommy.
You sure?
No, sorry, can't get me tired. Mommy, open
Alright.
the door.
Excuse me. I feel
You
your
know
door.
what door? What's that, Papa?
Oh.
Hello. You see me like call your phone, you can answer.
What do you answer your for?
You will answer me for?
See how woman me come up here now?
Me a breed, you know? Me a breed too.
So what you gonna do?
So how you want to
And I'm my daughter this, so I want to know
And
how
I'm
that
my
go.
daughter this.
You
And
never ask her.
we want know what one with few with daughters.
Okay. So you never asked her how old she be before you take abuse her.
Age is just a number.
You just but how this little boy come in here and tell me
What you
say?
say? You the breed?
Yeah, me a breed.
For who?
Not for you, who else? You really need answer for that?
You the breed?
Yes.
For who?
No must you. I could have who.
Again.
I him me breed for.
Oh, me no know of that.
When they come in at me, you never know say baby that go come. When they go in the raw, you never know say baby that go come. You don't use condom. Remember,
So what me and Uno are gonna do about this here now?
Well, you can't make
tell
her
me
money
right
that
what.
belly.
No, all me can know.
That's why what?
Make sure that
We not dealing with
my
abortion.
sister and that she know belly. You have to take care of
All me know say. You see, Riri, 17 years old. You say if you don't mind this and take care of this, a straight prison for you.
What you say about
And that
And
age.
me, I let you know because she thought first is her house. This is my daughter. I mean, I know what you have for young buds, so my daughter young too. And you better mind. Look like the two of them at least, but you better mind my grandchild. 'Cause no belly, nah, yam, and that's why you saw.
Right.
But me can't have it two of them. How that a go work?
Hey, you better
You
go
know the
find
thing
out
is,
with court and
me no
police.
know tag and war with you know, Mr. Sarah. I don't know what your name. What is your name? What name?
Tibby.
Tibby. Mr. Tibby. Let me tell you something. Let me go open my door and see who that.
You're mine, you're mine.
But what?
Who that? Come on, father, who this? Who this?
Hey! Squeeze up my party, Hey, come. Me forgot.
What is
Your
that this?
mother text me and say you want go on.
Oh, she.
Squeeze up, bread.
I'm a baby father. This is who you.
Well, I'm my husband.
No, I'm baby father.
Show the ring.
My baby father.
You know we baby daddy.
Him breed the two girl them.
Look for my belly and I see.
I want to kick it out here.
Kick off! Meet him! We gonna kick off! Hold on from a picnic. You're not easy.
I want to that woman here.
When you come up in this, you come up in this to face me.
Hey!
Daddy.
You right on time. You need to come in here. Right on time. Come.
We are going to come in at this.
You come.
Jump around.
Daddy now.
Come on.
My baby father.
Where is it? You hear that?
How you know this
I
place?
ain't father that.
Hello, daddy, where you hide?
How you know this
Come in here,
place?
sir.
Daddy, come in
You need to come in here.
What are you doing here?
No, uno sit down
What do
there,
you mean?
sir.
What am I doing here? What are
Come
you
on,
doing
kids,
here?
uno sit down.
Outside, baby.
Sit down.
Inside.
Clear the way.
Fiance.
Can I go back over this, sir?
baby father.
Me don't know where you for, so you turn up over this, sir. Cause me don't know where you
This
for.
is everything I come to light.
Come
This is
up
the
here,
light. Come in, man.
You
Oh,
need to
you
be
know
in here.
this place where you are.
What is this?
Calm down. We don't calm down. Why so much people?
What
that
is-
have me yard here, so?
Your yard?
This is one of my yard. Listen up. Before I meet you I meet you. And after that, when we break up, I meet you. So when the relationship start back, my name bother change it because I find out say you're pregnant to the first youth, you're pregnant to the first youth. So I couldn't bring it on together because I know say it on and go mesh. But I never want to let you make your heart broken.
But the man you come like a say
You want your cake
I get this thing back.
So hold on.
No,
You
but
and me
no,
are the same thing at
no, but what you know?
you there with how
Come here with me, the man that you fit out.
you should
No,
come
wait, no,
inside,
wait,
man.
Come in here.
Come inside.
Wait. Remember the kids are watching.
Kayla,
Yes.
The kids
what you say?
Yes.
What you say, my fiddle?
Where you say?
you.
Grab it. Riri, what you say?
Come
No.
Grab him.
What's going on here?
Ew,
What
grab it.
are they?
Grandfather.
Come in here, son.
Grandfather times how much? Come in.
I told grandpity you get in there, so. I look at see man here. See one man here over here, so.
That is my baby father here.
Lock chat. What you do? Lock chat in there, so.
Daddy, that means that we are there, two girls, your sister.
Yeah, your sister.
So that means
I'm a sister.
Two sister.
But anyway, this was not what I planned for my two daughters. Them.
What are the mama this?
Man, wanna take man. You may say no.
What do you mean, Daddy?
No, because I want to look up.
When I iPhone there, I'm there asking for. Cause I know him not give me it, a baby give me.
Daddy, I did plenty.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse what I'm doing.
Daddy, I said they're gonna give me one iPod
No worry
to
yourself.
go to college.
Here what? You don't move. I soon forward.
Alright.
Daddy,
You don't move. No.
Don't come in here, sir.
Listen, man. Listen. Everybody relax. Relax. Go back in. Go back inside. No. Listen.
Exactly what me I go do.
Know that everybody know everything. What
Just
I wanna
go
know.
sleep,
And
baby.
everything.
Just
Big,
go
you know,
sleep.
I want bring forth happiness now in the life. I know. Because there's something big out there now. I want to know relax. Everybody have a seat. Everybody have a seat. Don't move.
Don't move. Hey, we know exactly what me I go do.
Hey.
You gonna take this seat for you. So hold on.
Yeah, I got my
Yes. Naughtiness. Wanna come out?
Yeah.
Get her. Open the door.
Hold on there.
Open the door. I want.
What the man there? What you want? No, open the door, mama. What you want?
pick. Who that?
She no need it in ya.
All right, now. Everybody relax. Because only one thing can help in the earth. You fall in one luck.
What that there?
Relax. This is the thing we conquer all and heal all. So here we know. When not some money, US money, right? You say work come there up and everybody good. Right?
We really lock up your hand. I pay one compare we have.
So
Kayla.
this world this.
Let me hold it, Daddy.
No, what that
No.
for? What that for?
No.
Wait. You love money too much.
This your money, yeah.
Yeah, why you
This
sell
your
out?
money, yeah.
Mm.
Can make. You build a mansion. This is US money. Look, I be 100.
And-
Wallet.
Me can't hold it, Daddy. Cause she
Listen
don't
now,
want to
because you are going on now.
Mm-hmm.
This is separation. We are cut it out. We go have something like a royal family part. We have money, so everybody fall into line.
Money can't buy love.
Me can't hold it, no can none of them no want hold it.
Listen now.
Yeah.
You think money can buy love?
Hello,
Listen now.
You think money can buy where
No,
can
but
buy love,
I'm
but you buy happiness.
money. What do I work for? I'm money me work for. The people go come and now.
Yeah.
Then go want money.
See.
Wait. No, your mother have to disburse the
Excuse
money.
me,
Hold the money.
please, big people.
You know. You will know.
Mommy, I have to buy Pampers.
Remember say yeah, it's your good kid and a
Sorry,
good
if your
kid.
mother get money over there, say they hang out your hand. You know, you
Say your mother
No.
get money, girl. You're bright.
Take your set up in them Carolina next year.
Right. You could talk about man, so me baby for it.
You will know.
You get the money?
So you go around so.
You get money?
Me get money, baby. That's all me want.
Go with your mother.
Me have money, come
Go with your
on.
mother.
Come.
Go with your
Let me out.
Wait, let me hold it. Yeah, no hang him, no hang him.
No, wait there. Wait there. All right now.
And one thing I can't tell you, you're not king for my throat anymore. No.
Money, them, babes, money there.
No, but tell me now, which one of the woman them I choose?
Me can't choose it one.
No. No. Me no ram so rough.
Plenty more money.
My thing no share. Let's say I go you lose your tune here so.
Alright, Daddy, thank you. Here?
Here but now. Me I fly to Miami. I'm flying to Miami. Alright. Here but now. Sorry about all of the things them, but tell you.
Daddy, me love you for life, Daddy.
Love me youths them.
Me love him too.
And
Baby, I go play.
This a feminist, aren't it?
but me not forget to understand the story. Why so much
You can't pick me.
Why so much people there?
She pregnant for true?
She's pregnant.
2 months.
Your grand pick me money if you buy pampers.
Riri,
Hello.
Give me the money, I'm going to
you
put
check
it
the
back
money?
on.
I'm
Anyway.
talking to your father right now.
Tomorrow me contact here. Me have some I because I work tonight. Me not got no now. Me not got the next one yard. And me not stay some things I deal with. The money me falling now. I mean I deal with the venture so I want to get some money.
Okay, you know, so me analyze in your sleep, so you just.
Yeah, so me not sleep at
You
tonight.
just take time and
So
go.
tomorrow, me and you go somewhere and cool down and we talk about this. As big people, alright.
And you give me your last dose.
I don't want
So
no
where
man,
your
yeah.
You don't want no money? You're lucky. And you create that space.
Riri, accept your contribution now.
When you give me born, I miss you say for me.
Oh.
My part-time job that.
Alright, your money, you know. Go on over. Later.
Don't make me say Mexico ukor mo din.
Later, baby.
Oh, so you're not a mind man too?
No, I'm going to give my little pocket money, mommy.
You know, say look
Mommy,
like
you
I
know,
was
say
spend that
look
money
like-
they foolish, Riri.
Mommy, I'm not spending foolish and bank account me and put in, I promise.
But you see, you don't have a dollar more for it.
What?
Kena have more sense more you.
Yeah.
Because Kena wouldn't take her money, my man.
No, man, no,
You're
man.
man, both too.
Give me money too.
Man, you come like the man, them have you like a puppet and a string. Go on to your room, your worthless life. Later, Kena. Alright. May I go and cool out here, so I hear that they want that one.
Yeah, man. What go on in the world out there? What of things are going on, you know? And we there still a survive and a strive, you know what I mean? Give thanks we're alive, you know what I mean? It's a good day, you know what I mean? That's what I can say. You're breathing the oxygen. Let out the carbon dioxide, you know what I mean? And then you look on life and know you can improve the area where you reside. You know what I mean? There's much to say, but I don't think it's the right time to talk today. So, we just there pass through and I big up all of the fans them from that time till this time that have been supporting the movements, you know what I mean? And like me talking the last time, so we not want to talk about that again, you know what I mean? It is what it is, you know what I mean? And we are fight a war to get better and to reach some place where we are more secure, you know what I mean? Yeah, because it's a sin when you're poor. I think it should be a sin to be poor, or it is a sin, or it's a crime, you know. But I don't know how to put it though. But I think mommy and try say it's not a good life. Poor life is not a good life, and speaking from experience, you know what I mean, and from experience teaches wisdom. You see, so we have to look into ourselves as people and realize that it's a war. And when we say war, enough people say, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? And enough people talk against you and say, oh, what need to talk about war and this. It's a war for sure, you know what I mean? But how you view it, because who's trying to keep us down, have them strategy and have them means and have them ways, right? And if we not acknowledge it, we're going to make it look like a we now put in the work, you know what I mean? It's going to look that way there. But End of the day, if you make it out of this movie business tomorrow morning, you're gonna see how much people I said them represent you and them did for you and them pave way for you. You know what I mean? But if I'm going further, I have second dose to the family of one of the greatest actor Jamaica have ever seen. You know what I mean? Musician too. Jimmy Cliff, you know, artist and everything. You know what I mean? Because one thing make the world not really acknowledge him as they should acknowledge him is because of color and skin. You know what I mean? And just think about it. The man sang them out of this world. You know what I mean? Anyone I sang them you play now, you can resonate them today. Because when the man said many rivers to cross, right now we can't cross some of the river them right now. Me I try to cross from the poverty life, go over into success life where we actually can build ourselves and do things, you know what I mean? And as you cross one challenge is another one. So that song I want to sing in my head every time. So every time I cross one hurdle, me have to play that song there again and say many river to fight. And then me have to go back to the other day come, the other day fall. We have to, you know, fight a war to survive here. So plenty get pay if you say everything is going good. You know what I mean? While you suffer. And it's a thing with us as black people. We always fight against each other. And even if something wrong, some Jamaicans will take a look of money if you say it's right. I want to do something a while ago, you know. Even when something wrong, some of these blind Jamaicans will take a look at some change to say it's right. And that wrong thing go plague way into the future. Go be the same mistake that has been made. Every minute the look of sell out business are going on. You know? So take a look around, man, and look into self and realize you can't fight against good. You know what I mean? At times the good will be suffering, but you can't do more than what you can do. But the perception where them give is that the good can do more than what the good are do. For you turn your back against good, for roll with the evil. But that's the next topic. One next time. You know what I mean? But you can call upon Jah to wake up the people and make the people who mislead them get caught in a lynch trap. But these people have money. So they just buy them without anything and just pay off to somebody from one different place and them come. They on full campaign for them. You know what I mean? If a black street for them, for the money. But I'm just a man trying to survive. You know what I mean? And when I look upon life, it's a sad story of where you are when you work so hard to put yourself to a next level. You're not doing it for yourself. You do it for a lot of people. And some of the time, the people who do it for them are the same people who sell you out, and cut you short. You know what I mean? Them a vampire. Yeah, man. And if you're there, you watch this and you fit in the category, you're a vampire, change your ways. And you know yourself, too, you know, deep in yourself, you can tell yourself, you know, if you're a vampire, because you sucking the blood of innocent work that is going to put you, the same one, further. But anyway, we don't talk about much. Big up on our fans, them. Anyway, we continue the journey. We do the fight because we get threat, you know, just to speak the truth. And people them promise me, say, yo, fire. We go attack your channel. Yeah, man. We're gonna attack a channel just because of the truth, and we're gonna bring you down. And I tell them, say the more side bring me up, you can't bring me down. So the war will never stop, because I'll be fighting the war. So I'm like one of them story there. It's a fight to survive, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of enemies out there that want to see me down. You know what I mean? I don't know why, you know? And I'm doing good. You know what I mean? So if me I do good, why come with the negative vibes? You know what I mean? But give thanks, we're still alive though. And we are continue to fight. We're not stop. Let's go.